By now, you might be able to see that we can treat parentheses just like we would treat variables. In this example, we can multiply a plus b to the power of 3 times a plus b to the power of 2, just like we would multiply x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2. So let's bring it down. And we're just going to add the exponents like we would do for multiplying a normal variable. 3 plus 2. Simplify that. Finish this. Bring it down. A plus b to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5. And that's our solution for this example. Also, in this lesson, we are just going to leave all of our answers in parenthetical form, meaning we will not multiply them out. We will just leave it like this. In this example, we are going to multiply the parentheses just like normal variables. We have x plus y and a plus b, and we can combine them with one exponent. So let's start by bringing this above the fraction bar. This exponent would just become negative, and that'll make it easier for us to multiply. Just bringing everything down. And then a plus b to the power of negative 4. And now we can just combine the exponents. Let's do x plus y here. X plus y to the power of 2 plus 3. Do we have any other x plus y? Nope. So now we can do times a plus b, a plus b, 3, right, to the power of 3. And then we have a negative 4. Perfect. Now let's finish simplifying it. X plus y to the power of 5 times a plus b to the power of 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So we're not going to leave this in our final solution, so we will just have to put it underneath the fraction bar. So we can do x plus y. I'm going to bring it up here actually. X plus y to the power of 5 over a plus b to the power of 1. And this is our final solution for this example. When working with parentheses, we can also add them just like we would add like terms with basic variables. So we have a plus b and b plus c. And we can add them just like they were a normal variable like x or y. So let's go ahead and combine them into like terms. So let's do the ab first. We have 5ab. Do we have any other ab? Yep. So we have 5ab plus 1ab. Let's just group them first. 5 a plus b plus ab, or plus a plus b, excuse me. And then no other ab's. So now let's do the next thing, which is negative 2bc. Actually, we can go ahead and cross stuff out to make it less confusing. So we have bc now, so minus 2, b plus c, And then we have a plus 4 BC. Plus 4 B plus C. Excuse me, I keep saying BC, but it's actually B plus C. So let's keep simplifying. 5a plus b plus 1a plus b is equal to 6a plus b, right? Because we added 5 of them, and then we added 1 of them. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6a plus b. That's combined. And then now, what is minus 2 plus 4? Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So plus 2 b plus c. So this is the final form for our example, and it is our solution for this example.
Hey guys, if this video has been helpful to you, click the link in the description to get access to the complete Easy STEM Algebra 1 system, which includes a textbook, homework, and all of the course videos in order.